Hi everyone, thank you for joining my podcast. Today I'm going to discuss about construction technology competency in the RICS and candidates are writing two types of conceptions. So I'm trying to avoid that to give you a better understanding how you should write your summary of experience in terms of under the competency of construction technology. So often there are two main conceptions. One is like a candidate thinks that he's the advisors on terms in terms of construction technology. When you're writing the summary of experience, like they used to mention that they are giving an advice on using a shallow foundation or deep foundation or kind of piling system methods. So you should avoid this one because as a commercial individual, you are not a subject matter expert on giving a technical advice. So instead, you need to have a collaboration with technical manager or a structural engineer, whoever represent the construction technology in perspective of technical point of view. So what you can do in terms of as a commercial expertise or advisory for the commercial perspective, you should take the advice, the input from your technical manager, technical team, and then you will do your commercial evaluation, like which is more cost effective and what is the best option out of that given three option or whatever that suggestions is coming from your technical team. And also sometime there are another misconception in the candidates who you used to mention, saying that he's not a technical person, so he's not aware about anything in terms of construction technology. So this also should avoid, because yes, you should not give advice, but you should have a better in-depth understanding about the construction technology. Because when it comes to pricing, let's say you want to estimate something, if you are not aware in-depth knowledge about that functionality or application of the construction technology, you will not have a accurate price. Let's take one example. Let's say you are appointed to price for a piling system. Let's say you need to do an estimation for secant pile. So you should aware about what is the activities, how it should be installation, and what is the other aspects you have to consider. For example, even it is nearby a sea area, so micro piling will be done without a dewatering requirement, because it is most of the cases there is no requirement of dewatering, because it has been micro piles are being hydraulically they are installing it to the to touch the bedrock. So let's take another scenario like a board piling system. So when you do a board piling system, there is, if it is nearby the sea area, so there should be a requirement of dewatering till the substructure has been completing, or further to substructure for the certain period you have to keep the dewatering. So this kind of awareness or knowledge, if you are not in terms of construction technology, if you don't have, so you are in a position of not making an error in your estimation. So this will be not in the best interest of your client. So this is the reason you should aware, but however you should have a joint collaborative approach in terms of taking a decision. So you should give your advice on the perspective of commercial, and you should take the input from your technical experts in your in your organization to take the decision towards the technical application of what is the either piling system or whatever the elements you are going to implement in your project. So thank you for joining this podcast. I hope I have given you some idea on the misconception that we commonly have in our writing the summary of experience. So see you again with another video.